Yo, what is happening, people? It's your boy Drills back with another tutorial. Now, you might have seen the internet going crazy over these collectible figures that they're basically using AI to create figures of themselves, rappers and whatever else. So basically it's pretty easy to get AI to do it. So I'm gonna make this video and I'm just gonna show you lot how to make ones of your own. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right, you're only gonna need two things to make this work. You're gonna need a photo either of yourself or whoever you're trying to make the object of, and you're gonna want basically a phrase to put into Chat GPT that's going to show you how to do it. Now, I've created this kind of outline for it. I'm going to put this in the description below, and obviously you're just going to need to edit this to suit yours. So we're going to go ahead and do that now and show you kind of what I mean. So we've got the prompt is to create an action figure in packaging labeled, and you're going to say your brand name. Now I'm doing Big X the plug. I'm going to use him to make this one, so I'm going to type Big X the plug. Okay, just like that. The figure should look like, and it says insert age, vibe or look details here. So I'm going to go ahead and write it should look like a rapper, and maybe some other prompts you might want to use, but for this one I'm going to be using a rapper. Okay, so it should look like a rapper. They should be wearing. Now it's up to you, obviously, again, what you write. So I'm just going to pick something. Just writing some random stuff for this one. I haven't pre-thought about what I'm going to write, so I'm just writing whatever. They should be holding a microphone, right? Right, let's actually go back onto here and let's also add let's just add a little necklace on there as well, make it look a bit cooler. In the accessory section, include. So these are going to be the things that are on the side of it. So again, you could write anything. I don't really know what to write, to be honest. I'm going to write a bottle of water. What else could we write? We could have a baseball cap. I don't even know what to write in here right now because I haven't really thought about this, but let's just I don't know, put a bottle of Pepsi. Obviously this is just to show you how to do it, and you're gonna put what you want, so it don't really matter too much. The design should fill, so obviously do you want it to be fun, bold, bossy, clean, etc. I'm just gonna go with bold and then use these colors. So if you want specific colors, so I'm gonna use white, black and gold. Do not include that, so you don't need to edit any of that. The only thing you want to edit here, if you want like a quote, so obviously if you want something else written on the packaging, just slip that little plug in there. Okay, so this is good to go. Once you've done this, we're going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to cut it. And we're going to head over to Chat GPT. So we're going to prompt in, but before we actually write enter, we're going to want to upload our image. You're going to want to be logged in to Chat GPT. It's free. You just need to log in with your email address, but once you've logged in, you'll be able to upload a photo. Okay, I don't know that this is the best photo, but I mean, we'll see how it comes out. But yeah, this is basically all you need to do. So I'm going to hit send, and it's going to take a little while. I'm just going to speed this up for the purpose of the video, but obviously when the image is finished, we'll be back in a second. And there we have it, guys. We are back, and yeah, I mean, it hasn't done too bad, to be fair. It's got the Pepsi. For some reason, it's put the water inside a empty Pepsi bottle. Not quite sure what that's supposed to be, but he's got the baseball cap. Obviously the necklace ain't come out too bad. He's got the Jordan 4s. Yeah, obviously the necklace is covering the t-shirt. He's got a microphone. It doesn't look too badly like him. All the writing's correct, which like normally AI doesn't do. It's getting so much better at doing it. But yeah, guys, that is how you do it. So I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn more about 3D modeling and stuff like that, then join the Discord. The link will be in the description below. But as always, this is Drills. Until the next one, over and out. Peace.